From epic disasters to groundbreaking feats, January 23rd, astonishing timeline. Today in history. Greetings, fellow time adventurers. Ready to warp through centuries of mind-blowing events on January 23rd. If you crave more sensational secrets, be sure to subscribe. Tomorrow's timeline gets even wilder. Buckle up and let's catapult ourselves into these mind-boggling happenings that shaped history in ways you'd never expect. Trust me, you won't want to miss this ride. Number 20. On January 23rd, 393, Emperor Theodosius I proclaimed his 8-year-old son, Honorius, co-ruler of the Western Roman Empire, sparking an eyebrow-raising power dynamic that foreshadowed monumental changes in imperial authority. Number 19. On January 23rd, 1368, Zhu Yuanzhang ascended China's throne as the Hongwu Emperor, launching the Ming dynasty, which revived Confucian institutions and catapulted Chinese culture to dazzling new cultural heights. Number 18. On January 23, 1556, China's catastrophic Shaanxi earthquake reportedly killed over 800,000 people, making it the deadliest quake in history and dramatically reshaping landscapes as entire mountains and rivers shifted. Number 17. On January 23, 1570, James Stewart, Regent for the young King James VI, was shot in Linlithgow, becoming the first recorded assassination by firearm and igniting severe Scottish political turmoil. Number 16. On January 23, 1579, Dutch provinces joined forces through the Union of Utrecht, uniting against Spanish control, laying groundwork for the Dutch Republic and redefining Europe's religious and political landscape. Number 15. On January 23, 1719, Emperor Charles VI decreed the unification of Vaduz and Schellenberg into Liechtenstein, birthing Europe's sixth smallest nation and surprising many with this new Alpine microstate's improbable sovereignty. Number 14. On January 23, 1849, Elizabeth Blackwell shattered gender barriers by becoming the first woman in the U.S. awarded a medical degree, inspiring generations of women to follow in her footsteps. Number 13. On January 23, 1870, the U.S. cavalry launched the Marias Massacre in Montana, killing scores of Piegan Blackfeet, including women and children, sparking outrage over federal policies toward Native Americans. Number 12. On January 23, 1912, the International Opium Convention was signed in The Hague, marking the first global attempt to limit narcotics, foreshadowing today's ongoing debates over drug policy and regulation. Number 11. On January 23, 1920, the Netherlands refused Allied demands to extradite former Kaiser Wilhelm II, shielding him from trial and spawning furious international debate about justice after World War I. Number 10. On January 23, 1943, British General Montgomery's 8th Army seized Tripoli in Libya, dealing a critical blow to Axis forces and amplifying the Allies' momentum in North Africa's Desert Campaign. Number 9. On January 23, 1950, Israel's Knesset declared Jerusalem its capital, reigniting tensions as rival claims to the city bubbled over, fueling geopolitical disputes still reverberating throughout the modern Middle East. Number 8. On January 23, 1957, inventor Walter Morrison sold his Pluto Platter flying disc to Mo, birthing the Frisbee craze and unleashing endless dog chases, beach games, and backyard athletic showdowns. Number 7. On January 23, 1960, the bathyscaphe Trieste carrying Jacques Picard and Don Walsh touched down in Challenger Deep, 7 miles below sea level, achieving humankind's deepest ocean descent ever recorded. Number 6. On January 23, 1964, the 24th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution was ratified, abolishing poll taxes in federal elections and removing a notorious barrier that disproportionately disenfranchised African American voters. Number 5. On January 23, 1973, President Richard Nixon revealed a peace accord to end America's involvement in the Vietnam War, sparking worldwide relief and setting the stage for complicated post-war repercussions. Number 4. On January 23, 1977, ABC aired the groundbreaking miniseries Roots, tracing Alex Haley's family history from Africa to America, igniting cultural conversations on slavery identity and resilience across the nation. Number 3. On January 23, 1986, legends like Elvis Presley and Chuck Berry headlined the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame's first induction ceremony, rocking Cleveland with riffs and pioneering musical spirit. Number 2. On January 23, 2002, Wall Street Journal reporter Daniel Pearl was kidnapped in Karachi, Pakistan, sparking worldwide outrage and media scrutiny, underscoring the risk journalists often face in volatile regions. Number 1. On January 23, 2020, Chinese authorities imposed a lockdown on Wuhan amid the COVID-19 outbreak, thrusting the city into global headlines and foreshadowing drastic measures to contain the virus worldwide. Thanks for journeying through January 23rd's wild wonders, from empire-shaking coronations to boundary-breaking scientific feats. If you're itching for more sizzling historical scoops, hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. Tomorrow's date holds scandalous drama, triumphant breakthroughs, and even cosmic surprises. Don't let time slip away. Keep exploring the untold stories of our past and brace yourself for another electrifying dose of Today in History coming up soon. See you then.